One of the first nights that we were in Ubud, Bali, we went to go see the Legong and Barong dance show. And I would definitely recommend that you guys check out at least one of the traditional Bali dancing shows while you are on your trip. One suggestion I would make when going to Bali is finding a local driver that can act as a tour guide while you are on your vacation or spending some time out there. We actually found Made, this is him and his family, through a friend of ours, and he helped us find a villa for us to stay at, and he actually helped teach us how to ride a scooter. We actually were living in Bali for 3 months total at that time, and Made and his family became like our family away from home. So I will definitely link his website down below. If you're traveling to Bali, check him out and book him to be your local tour guide.
Also as responsible for working to produce the fertilizer.
Wow.
Why did they do that?
So actually to catch the water.
Oh. Hi everyone. We just tried coffee from the Luwak cat. And now we're gonna go check out the view. So one of the things that I would definitely recommend if you're going to visit Bali is check out the many Facebook groups that are online. We joined a Facebook group that was in Ubud, and this is where we were able to meet up with Randall. Jovan had gotten a message from him, and he asked if we wanted to meet up for coffee and talk to us about moving to Bali. And so we met up with him, got some coffee, and since then we have become really fast friends for years now. So definitely would recommend checking out Facebook groups. Randall here had taken us to the Champuan Ridge, which is a beautiful walk where you can oversee some rice paddy fields. As you see, it's up on a little hill or a ridge, and there's that famous palm tree where many drone footage has come from. It's a really nice little walk, and we would definitely recommend you check that out as well. So on this trip, since we had met Randall, he had suggested or offered to take us around the island and to share with us some of his favorite spots, since he had been living in Bali for more than a few years now at that point. And so right here, he's taking us to a really cool waterfall. Bali has lots of different waterfalls for you to go check out. This one was our first one coming to Bali. Some things to note. We had brought our Chaco shoes on this trip, and they were really great to be able to have when visiting the waterfall because they have a really great grip on them to do treks as well as being waterproof. So they were perfect, and in this video you'll see that we actually were able to climb up into the waterfall, and so they were very helpful for that. Also, one thing I wanted to let you know is when you're traveling and going to some of these touristy spots or seeing these waterfalls, the locals might charge a small fee, so it's always good to have some rupiah on you. But we had an amazing time here and definitely would recommend checking out some waterfalls when you're in Bali. So we're just pulling up at our friend Randall's. You guys saw him in a couple clips before, and we're here at his villa. So he lives, or this place was amazing. It's right off, you can see the rice paddy fields to the left here. And we are meeting him and some of his roommates for some dinner and to go swimming. So check out this villa, it's really awesome.
Here we are at Randall's villa. Super beautiful place. Got some rice paddy fields here. Grand entryway. There he is, the yoga master. Here's Randall's beautiful kitchen area. His pool, lounge chairs. What's up, man? You're on the GoPro. Just touring your beautiful villa, man. Had a nice little video coming up here.
And this is Ricard. He's not licensed to cut hair, but what the heck, we'll give it a try.
Yes, my name is Ricard. I come from Sweden and I will cut some hair here. I am not professional in Germany, around the world. I was in Paris cutting all the celebrities recently.
Ricard actually cut Jovan's hair and my hair, and he just does this for fun. So we asked him what he would charge, and he said that all he wanted was some good conversation.
Okay. So like, oh,
How's it going, honey?
waitress
Good.
in
What you
Sweden,
doing?
and then you
I'm
went
getting
to
my hair
South
cut
America,
by
you went
Ricard.
there. And I was like,
He's from Sweden.
yeah. They took my little
Celebrity
cousin.
hairstylist,
Yeah, we're gonna go to
Ricard.
Puerto Rico.
Ricard did a great job cutting both of our hair, and we had a really good time catching up with him and Michaela. Michaela is in the background cooking us a delicious vegan dinner. Just have them cut your hair and then cook you food.
How much school have you?
I have no idea, but I'm not complaining.
Very good negotiators.
All this stuff right here.
The sauce is just like a tahini miso. So it's like tahini and miso and salt.
It looks so delicious.
Yum.
It makes me want to turn vegan.
You can.
One of our favorite places to grab coffee is called Freaks Coffee off of one of the main drags in Ubud. We're just going to stop here and have a cup of coffee or two before we head on to Canggu.
Alright guys, I'm here with Randall, and we're at Freaks Coffee, and had the most amazing mocha. You just had what is it, Americano. It was awesome, and got a little GoPro mounted here. As you can see, we're going to do a time-lapse video, and like Madeline's here. What's up? And just getting ready for our trip to Canggu. So, see you in the next video on the time-lapse. Peace.
Well, I hope you enjoyed our video following us around Ubud. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one.